are watching our video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to enable it. Like, comment and share. Hello everyone, welcome back to Afza's world. Today I am going to show you how to make a Turkish dessert, Supangle. Supangle is a chocolate pudding without gelatin which everyone loves. So let's start cooking. So the ingredients are 4 tablespoon cocoa powder, cornstarch 3 tablespoon. I am using cornstarch. If you want you can use maida, but maida is not healthy, so I am using cornstarch. Sugar half cup, milk 1 cup, 1 egg yolk. So let's make it. First add the cocoa powder into the bowl. Then add the cornstarch. Then add the sugar. Then add the milk. Mix it. Add the milk slowly by slowly. Mix it and add more the rest of the milk. Milk should be in room temperature. Then add the egg yolk. Now our cocoa powder mix is ready. Let's keep it aside and boil 3 cups of milk. One cup. Two cup. 3 cup. It's hot now, so add the cocoa butter mixture. Mix it well. Mix it well for 5 to 6 minutes. So I'm adding some butter. It's our homemade butter. Add the chocolate, dark chocolate. Mix it till silky smooth without any lumps. Check the sweetness, and if there is no more sweetness, add some more sugar. Here I am adding 2 more tablespoons of sugar. Now see the texture of the makes it silky smooth without any lumps. It's almost ready to set. Now I'm going to turn off the heat. Let it cool for 15 minutes. After that we will add ice cold water. After 10 minutes, add the ice cold water. Now we'll transfer it into the mold. Keep it in the freezer for 2 hours. Yummy! 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 Please try this at home and let us know through the comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Like, comment and share.